I'm gonna show you my cooking experience and cooking video with this amazing phone from now. So please subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you today the Samsung S20 Ultra 5G. It's one of amazing phone in the market right now. Let's see what is inside and what surprises inside. I'm gonna show you. Let's start with this box. I'm gonna open this, how it is inside. Let's see. Wow, it's a really amazing phone. Samsung. It's as usual, we have this thing inside. We have here for the SIM pin card for SIM, and we have here cover and warranty card and manual here. It's come with the cover, and let's see what is here. The phone, oh my god, that's damn amazing. You can see it has camera, and you can see here 100 times zoom and the flash. It's really good, really amazing. It has a 6.9 inches display, and I will keep it here and I will show you what is comes with this amazing phone. Accessories, we have one charger, which is a fast charger, super fast charging. It's mentioned here, and we have here the headphone. Headphone is really good with than other phones. It's really different headphone, and it's really nice headphone. It's a really good headphone. It has a microphone and the amazing ports. It's really, and the ports is so good, and it has a Type-C cable. You can see there is a different type of headphone in the market, other phones, but it's give you the Type-C charger, same like Type-C. It's really good. It's written Samsung charger, but it's really nice. And we have here the charger cable, C-type, Type-C charger cable we have also. It's both side, you can use any side. It's really good. The same. The usually comes the pins comes with the one of its pen drive USB, and the other one is Type-C, but this it has both same, both Type-C. You can use from this side also, and you can use from this side also, and it's really amazing. Not so long and not so small also. It's really nice. Let's go. What did it say? Let's go. Okay, we will start. I have already approved. Okay, internet, skip. Let's skip this one. Just a second. Next, accept. Skip this one. Skip anyway. Skip anyway, finish. Let's see. Oh my god, it's damn good phone. I know you are waiting for this Samsung. This is really good home screen. You can see it. There's a lot of features it has already inbuilt, and let's check on hand. It's really good on hand. Let's see what is here in the home button. Okay, let's talk about this storage now. It has a 12 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory, and you can add 1 TB from external memory. And it has a camera which is 104 megapixel, sorry, 108 megapixel, the rear camera, and the front camera it has a 40 megapixel, and it has an amazing function which is, you will gonna love this one. It has 100 time pixel zoom. It is in the first phone which is has this much zoom in this market right now. They have a normal mode, and this is ultra wide mode, and this is zero mode. You can see this is the normal phone which is has this function with the all phones in the market. Let's see, it has a 100x zoom. You can see this one. This is the best things it has always in the Samsung phone ever. This is really good camera. Okay, let's check the quality of these pixels setting. You can see there it's a rear camera size, front video size. You can check it. Lot of things you have in this phone which is really new in the market, and this is the really awesome camera video quality it has. You can see this the rear video quality. It has a 8K. 8K is so good and so high resolutions, and it has also 4K, and you can check very nice videos in this phone. And you will see our new recipes, new food recipes, new cooking show is gonna showing you the amazing video with our cooking side. It has a more option also. You can see there's a pro, panorama, food mode, and night, live focus videos, pro videos, super slow motion. This phone has super slow motion. You can buy other phone, it has a slow motion only, but this Samsung made it crazy. It's so crazy. You can try this super slow motion mode. This is really amazing. I will show you a lot of photos and videos from this phone, and let's see some of photos of this phone. You will enjoy it really nice, and I already told you a lot of features from this phone, and hope you know this one, all those the major function of this phone. If you want to buy this, it's really good. I will suggest to you 100%. This is the best phone you will having from the Samsung company. Thank you so much for this video. I'm gonna not make more than this much. I will stop right now from here the phone, and please, if you like, if you have some comment, please comment on comment box, and I will make you some more information if you want. And please subscribe my channel Cooking Side. I'm gonna show you my cooking experience and cooking video with this amazing phone from now. So please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for this love which is you are giving me from last month. You are very supporting me. Thank you so much and love you all.